If you haven't already downloaded the extension, head to your homepage and grab it now. After downloading the extension, extract the zip file. The extracted folder should look like this. Next, navigate to your extension settings and ensure that the developer mode is turned on. Click on the Load Unpacked option. Select the folder containing the extracted extension files. Now, the Capybara extension should appear in your extensions menu. Visit youtube.com and find the video you want to download. Click on the Capybara extension from the Extensions menu. A pop-up window will prompt you for an access token. Go to the Capybara website's homepage and either copy your existing access token or generate a new one. Paste the access token into the input field of the pop-up window. If the token is valid, you'll see an "Authorized successfully" message. Reload the page, and you'll now see two buttons, Download and Get Info. The Get Info button provides details about the video. The Download button allows you to download the video and audio separately. Choose your preferred format and click Download. Upon successful download, you'll receive an alert confirming the completion. Keep in mind that high-quality videos may not include audio, so download the audio separately if needed. Visit the dashboard page on our website to view stats related to your extension requests. You can also check who is using your access token. From the Profile menu, you can update your name, email, or password. Remember, you can generate a new access token anytime. If your download requests from the extension stop working, it's likely due to a changed access token. Simply copy the new access token and paste it into the input field of the extension's pop-up window. Reload the page, and everything should work smoothly again.